was asked a question about self-talk. Do you talk to yourself? Of course you do. We all do. In fact, you talk to yourself more than you talk to anyone. Do you know that self-talk is the #1 type of communication that will determine your everyday life experiences? In the field of human communication, we call this intrapersonal communication, the communication that goes on inside your head. This is how self-esteem, self-concept, and self-worth are created. How you see, think, and feel about yourself is much more important than how others see you or what they say about you. But too often you attach what others say about you and forget your own self-determination. You have the power to change your life when you change your thoughts. To begin a journey of changing negative thoughts, use the tool of the 3 selves. Listen to your thoughts. This is called self-monitoring. After listening to your thoughts, self-reflect on the thought. Think about the healthiness of the thought. What will it produce? And the last of the 3 selves is to self-adjust. Decide if you want that thought to come true. Because if you think it and speak it enough, it can happen. And that's my word.
Subscribe to Colburn Classroom and be on the lookout for new videos.